Already, I have interviewed all the people who did with Mohbad 24 hours before he died. Now, they say, why did he even start it? I'll show you why I started it. It is because I have some evidence with me that I want all Nigerians to see.
Bí kulé ò bá pani, tòde ò mọ̀ lè pani o. Ẹ tún wá gbọ́ bí fọ́nrán yìí ṣe lọ. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn fẹ́rí dàpọ̀ mọ́ tó ti tú àwọn àṣírí kan nípa justice for Mohbad tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tí fẹ́rí dàpọ̀ ń ṣe. Àṣé ń pariwo látijọ́ yìí pé wọn ò rí justice for Mohbad, wọn ò rí justice for Mohbad. Ẹ gbọ́, àwọn èèyàn ń bẹ lábẹ́ ọ̀run o. Ẹ wá gbọ́ àṣírí tí fẹ́rí dàpọ̀ ń tú nínú fọ́nrán yìí nípa àwọn tó kírètì gúrùpù lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad. Ẹ wá wo àwọn tó ń dárúkọ àwọn tẹ́yìn ò ṣe ẹ̀rọ kan, àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá tó jẹ́ pé àwọn gan náà ń pariwo justice for Mohbad. Ẹ wá wo gbogbo àṣírí tí ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ gbogbo àṣírí tí fẹ́rí dàpọ̀ wá tú nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Kí ni àwọn èèyàn yìí tá à ń sọ nípa ẹ̀, kí ni wọ́n sọ? Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ́ gbọ́ torí fẹ́rí dàpọ̀ ó farabalẹ̀, ó yànnàná ẹ̀, kódà ó tún fi evidence gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n ṣe ń táìpù ẹ̀, gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ló fi hàn àwọn èèyàn. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má jẹun gbà ẹ́ lákòókò, ẹ jẹun gbé fẹ́rí dàpọ̀ wọlé, ẹ wá gbọ́rọ̀ yìí.
Eyin Omo is the group admin. Alright, so a lot of people, they ask, say, where is Fẹ́rí Dàpọ̀ going with this justice for Mohbad? Where is he going to with it? Already, I have interviewed all the people who did with Mohbad 24 hours before he died. Now, they say, why did he even start it? I'll show you why I started it. It is because I have some evidence with me that I want all Nigerians to see. Already, they don't do what they fit do for court, police, everything. They don't put on for nurse. So whatever information and whatever evidence I will share to you, do you understand? Whatever thing I want to do it, I'm going to do. But when I go see them. Now, the people I'm going to post now, and the evidence I'm going to start posting from today, all of them will shock. All of them. Now, when Mohbad died, they created a group. Do you understand? Now, these are the people in the group.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ṣé ń bá fọ́nrán yìí lọ? Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀, kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ fọ́nrán yìí ló tún jẹ́ kí n tó padà wá, kí n tó wá sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ tí ì gbọ́ àṣírí kankan o. Àwọn àṣírí wà tó ló dárúkọ àwọn oríṣiríṣiríṣi èèyàn. Tẹ́ ẹ bá gbàgbé, ẹ mọ̀ pé ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ fọ́nrán yẹn, ó sọ pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ni admin. Ṣé rí gbogbo bí wọ́n ṣe rán Fẹ́rí Dàpọ̀ lọ sí prison nígbà kan torí àwọn àṣírí kan ni lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú Mohbad. Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ nínú fọ́nrán yìí nítorí pé àwọn ìjìnlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ kan ó wà nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ìtorí ẹ̀ gan ni mo fi mú fọ́nrán yìí wá. Ẹ má gbàgbé kẹ́ subscribe sórí ètò wa, kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ lè bá mọ́ jàǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe mú fọ́nrán wá fún ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Ó yá, ẹ má jẹun gbà yín lákòókò, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ fọ́nrán yìí lọ síwájú.
Eyin Omo is the group admin. I mean, I wanted to cover her name, but I just said, if I won't come clean with the public because it is VDM, you know. There's somebody, Barrister Ramide, then there's Dre Official. This guy na Davido PRO. See in picture, see in profile. As you can see, that's his profile. It says A&R Music Executive, Davido Music Worldwide, 30BG PRO to Davido, CEO, blah, blah, blah. Do you understand? This guy is one of the most demonic person when I don't ever see. As I go through all their group chats, I fear this boy. I fear him. I'll show you. I'll show you. Anyways, so there's Dre, there's Tonto Dike, as you can see. There's Kesolo, Oba Kesolo. There's Sam Clef, there's JBO, there's Aloma Music Worldwide. Then the other group, there's Sam Clef, who is a group admin. There's Bella Shmurda booking number. The person's name is Pumping. This one is representing Bella Shmurda in the group. There's Foolish Caller IG, Fola G. There's Iyabo Ojo's lawyer, Fumi. There's Jigon, the guy where the limp with one leg. There's Jigon. Let's say like you will get one leg. As I see always see the right, I just shake my head. You be evil person. Very evil. Anyways, and then this second group, there's still Tonto Dike and there's somebody called Tech Design. Now, for starters, Mohbad died on the 12th of September 2023. So after I died, immediately these people created this group, all in the name of fighting for justice for Mohbad. But if you see what's in this group, all the narrative you people see online, everything, now from here they come, all the captions. As a matter of fact, let me shock you. Now from here, they send me go prison when I spend 1 month. Now for this same place, they release my nude. Because I asked question. Now let me take you back again before I start to release everything. Now full series. Now full series won't happen now. When Mohbad buy, when they announced say Mohbad don't buy, it took everybody. Everybody shocked. Like, what is going on? Now they talk say Mohbad don't buy. They not talk with him by Mohbad. The next day, Mohbad wife go post say they have taken him away from me. He struggled till there. She said a lot of things, pointing hands towards the Malian music. Automatically, everybody just assumes, say, okay, maybe they don't attack Mohbad, maybe they shoot him, maybe they beat him. Nobody. There was no explanation. So all of us go start to ask questions. Immediately as she talked that thing, myself, I remember the video when Mohbad say, if him buy, may the owner Mali accountable. I can start to do research. The video when they say Malians, some Neramali boys, go attack rugged man for 808 restaurants for London. I bring that video. I posted it online. I say if Neramali can do this, then true, if you send boys, may they go attack Mohbad. Everybody just they bring 1 or 2. Then until one day, while I was sitting on their Neramali and Malians, and I saw a post that said their Neramali will be brought back from abroad. So apparently, their Neramali no day Nigeria when Mohbad buy. I can't see another news again that period say they knock Mohbad jazz for where I go perform. So immediately, I went back to the video where those boys carry Mohbad for leg, where they say, Mohbad is dead. So as I see these two things, I can say, you know what? Let's ask the people where they with Mohbad 24 hours before he buy. That was when I made a video. And I said, those boys that announced that Mohbad don't buy, where did they carry Mohbad from? How Mohbad take land for their leg, where they take announce say Mohbad don't buy. What thing happen for that place where make Mohbad, they rush Mohbad, go to the hospital, where they rush him to. Like, these are the people that can explain what really happened. I saw attack come. People start to attack me. As I come to talk, I can say again, they need to do a DNA test. Maybe Pekin, this is just a normal procedure, a process to do investigation when they don't know what to keep person. So okay, maybe she get an affair. Then the father of the Pekin, maybe Mohbad can't discover, they can't join and buy him. This is just normal investigation. I don't know, say, now while I enter. Let's go to the chat. You see you, Davido PA, I be Davido PRO, Dre. You be the most demonic person I've ever see. You send me go prison because of what I do. What did I do? Because I say the people were doing Mohbad 24 hours before he buy. That was my biggest mistake. Not just that. Let me read the chart so that people can see. As you can see, this chart was on the 27th. On the 26th was when all this chart started. 26th of September. This was like 14 days after Mohbad buy. 14, 15 days after Mohbad buy. Where all of us say we define justice. Not knowing that these people had an agenda. Let's start. They shared my video in the group where they asked all those questions. One of them can't reply. Can't say, this way for open in comment section now. Why he offer Olushi? I think say we they all fight for justice for Mohbad. Anyways, Eyin Omo now posted. Now said, now responded to a video of Davido. Now said, but Davido don't follow very dark man now for IG. She now also said, now then they encourage him. So apparently, Eyin Omo was not happy that Davido followed me on Instagram that period. Now, on the 27th, Dre now responded to Eyin Omo when she said, now then they encourage him. I say, no be them David, they follow the guy normally. So now David go stop them from picking him. Let's do our own and they pick him up. So they'd already planned my arrest. On the 25th, 26th, 27th, they don't plan me to arrest me. What was my offense? Because I won't ask the right question and they didn't want me to ask this. I still continued. Boom! This same Dre, Davido, send my nude. That same 27th, as you can see, 27 September 2023. The date there on top. This guy send my noodles. Go give this lover make this lover post them to blackmail me, make I no talk about the Mohbad matter again. That's how they posted my nude. It still no work. I carried that nude, I reposted it and directed people to go and watch it on Twitter. That one shocked them. I continued what I was doing. But at the end of the day, I was later arrested. So from here, they planned my arrest. Not just my own. A lot of things was planned in this group too. A lot of people was attacked. Now, as you can see, still that same Dre Davido. He said, I get one option. Make them drag that lawyer. This lawyer now. I don't know what the lawyer do. Apparently, this lawyer be like person where they also ask the right question. They can say, make she know say her secrets don't open. Say now they back them up. This lawyer now is asking that, but then Naira know they okay. Are we going to ask this? Are we going to ask that? Blackmail enter. From there, she go they confused, and her papa self go see say Nigerians don't know all. Now this lover go start the work. So everything that you people saw online that period, now from here they cook am. Now from here they cook am. All the blackmail, all the narrative. As you can see, there's another narrative here. Oh, but these people crazy gone. Where everybody feel say, okay, now justice for Mohbad matter we did. These people crazy gone. So somebody in the group now said, who they give these idiots liver and info about all we are doing? Now maybe the idiots. Did you see we are not safe at all? As in, damn it. Nobody they give me information. Now, which I they see online and they use the analysis, they ask question. This is how these people hated me so much for no reason because of say okay, justice for Mohbad. That was my offense, bros. Anyways, some can say the day this guy go enter one chance, nobody go dey him back to help him. He's doing too much. What is my offense? And I'll continue. Someone is sponsoring Kemi, Very Dark Man, and Reno Mokri. That is Kemi Oluloyo, Very Dark Man, and Reno Mokri. Because we were all now saying, Naira Marley, Mona go kill him, Mona this. Because, come on, who deal with this guy 24 hours before he died? That was, I see, that be the only thing. Immediately, they planned my arrest. Because people come, they listen to me. People come, they ask questions. They plan my arrest. As they say, you know, why they were planning my arrest? They see I still they talk. They blackmail me with my noodles. This video now where they go viral, Very Dark Man nude look. Now since now me repost them where people even see them. And it was because of this thing. When this lover post them to blackmail me, I can't repost them. Make I show them say I balance. You see this justice for Mohbad, we go know what happen. But they were not happy with me. Then Jigon, down where get one leg. One leg the limp. He can say it's the Nigerian government. One narrative started. Now from today, that narrative of say they work for APC starts. Because as they did for this group, that's how they push them out there. These people crazy. If you see what they did for this group, child, now go mad. They played everybody for the fool in this country. But anyways, then Aloma DMW can say nobody else except Naira Marley. Now here again, that narrative starts. Say Naira Marley pay me. These people push different narratives because they didn't want people to listen to any other narrative apart from what their agenda is. So anybody who want to ask any other question, he don't turn enemy. That's why I was arrested. I was blackmailed. One other lawyer won't talk. They use this lover. Boom. And now this lover, they push everything there. There are a lot of blogs that was also used here. If I tell you what it is, I go post them. I don't get anything to. I say all the agenda. Everything you saw on the media then was a lie. You know why all these things happening? You get what they try cover. You get one thing where they try cover. Somebody in this group, two persons in this group, no will take by Mohbad. Because of interest. All of them in this group, they don't know. Not be all of them for yeah, they part of this thing. Some of them was genuinely, actually, they were genuinely brainwashed by some of them in this group. Do you understand? But the main people, they, like Dre, DMW now, this Davido PRO, he knows. Because every video you see online, now Dre put on. But anyways, we'll continue. We just the start. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, you go and learn, and you will learn the hard way. Don't play.
ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé ẹ má bínú bí mo ṣe wọlé ló yẹ kí n kí n mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti láǹfààní àtòrí ọ̀fẹ́ tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbọ́ wa lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ojú tẹ́ ẹ fi ń wò wá ojú náà ní fọ́ etí tẹ́ ẹ fi ń gbọ́ wa etí náà ní di ohun rere létí gbogbo yín ó mọ̀ gbọ́ a dúpẹ́ lórí gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń bá wa wo fídíò wa tẹ́ ń bá wa share tẹ́ ń bá wa comment ìtẹ́yìn náà bá dáwọ́ yín lé ohun rere la máa já sí ẹ wò fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe sórí ètò ẹ subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà kẹ́ lè mọ̀ jàǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe mú fọ́nrán wá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé ibi tá fi àdàgbà ètò ìsọlẹ̀ sí lónìí rè bó bá tó ṣe ń lọ lórí Justice for Mohbad tí Fẹ́rídàpọ̀n tó ń bá lọ àtúnjẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ máa gbọ́ ẹ wá ṣe oore kan fún wa ẹ ṣe ẹ fọ́nrán yìí ẹ jẹ́ kó kan ọmọdé kó kàgbà kó kan ọkùnrin kó kan obìnrin káwọn náà lè jàǹfààní gbogbo tá à ń mú wá fẹ̀yìn olólùfẹ́ wa ẹ wo ibi tá fi àdàgbà ètò ìsọlẹ̀ sí rè bó bá tó ṣe ń lọ àtúnjẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ máa gbọ́ àdúrà mi sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni pé ire lójú owó rí ire lójú ọ̀nà rí ire lójú gbogbo wa ọmọ rí o ire o ó dìgbà.